Today, we're going to discuss how to build a barcode scanner API for web applications. How's it going, everybody? Welcome back. Today, we're building a console app that handles three things: scanning barcodes from images, scanning them from PDFs, and generating barcode from scratch, all using IronBarcode. It's a solid foundation that you can pull into any .NET project. So first, the setup. You can see IronBarcode is already installed via NuGet. One package covers everything: reading, writing, and format support. If you haven't installed it yet, search for IronBarcode in the NuGet package manager and you're good to go. In program.cs, our main method calls three functions: scan barcode from image, scan barcode from PDF, and create barcode. We've kept them separate on purpose. It's easier to follow and easier to lift individual pieces into your own project later. So let's go through each one. Scan barcode from image is the simplest of the three. We pass an image file path to barcodereader.read, and it returns every barcode it finds in that image. We loop through the results and print each value to the console. The reason we're looping, even for a single barcode image, is that IronBarcode doesn't assume that there's only one. That flexibility matters when you're working with real-world documents. So here's the image that we're scanning: a simple barcode that encodes a URL, clean, simple test case. Scan barcode from PDF works the same way under the hood. Same barcodereader.read call, just pointed at a PDF instead of an image. IronBarcode handles that format difference for you. We're using a for loop here, so we can print each barcode with its index number, which becomes useful when you're pulling multiple codes out of a single document. This is the PDF that we're going to be working with. It's an invoice that contains several barcodes, an invoice number, and a handful of product codes. Pretty realistic scenario. So now for generation, create barcode uses barcodewriter.createBarcode. You pass in your data string and the encoding format. In this case, it's code 128, which is standard for alphanumeric data. We resize it to 600 by 400 pixels using resize 2, and then save it as a PNG with save as PNG. That's it, 3 lines of meaningful work. The output is print ready and clean enough to drop into a label, invoice, or UI. So let's go ahead and run it. The console opens and works through all three methods in sequence. First up, the image scan returns the IronBarcode website URL. Then the PDF scan pulls 5 barcodes from the invoice. Super fast, no friction. And here's what the PDF output looks like. Barcode 1 is the invoice number, INV100200. Then 4 product codes: MH12 XS Blue, MH13 XS Lavender, MH11 XL Orange, and MH12 XS Blue. 5 barcodes, 1 read call, 0 manual parsing. That's the part worth paying attention to if you're working with complex documents at scale. And here's the generated barcode, barcode.png. Code 128 format, 600 by 400, exactly what we specified. If you need a different format or size, it's literally just a one-line change. QR codes, data matrix, EAN, IronBarcode covers most of the standards that you run into. All right, and that's it. That's the full picture: scanning from images, scanning from PDFs, and generating on demand. The console app is just a demo vehicle. This same logic works in a web API, a desktop app, or a backend service. Drop the methods in, adjust the file paths, and you're most of the way there. All right, we hope you found that useful. Subscribe for more tutorials from Iron Software. There's a lot more in the library worth exploring. And if you want to try IronBarcode yourself, grab the free trial using the link in the description, install the package, run through the code, and see how it fits into whatever you're building.